Hello students. Today we are going to discuss about computer virus.
You must have heard the term virus earlier. Many of you have even heard an attack of viral fever which may have left you weak. Just like biological virus attacked our body, computer virus attack a computer system. But a computer virus is a computer program that enters the computer system by attaching itself to another computer system and spread itself across the system. What does a computer virus do? The virus tries to control of the computer system. It has infected and the first opportunity available, it makes copies itself and also make carry out the harmful task written in its program. This process can happen so quickly that the user is not even aware of the presence of the virus in their system or on the fact that anything unwanted has occurred. Some viruses have a preset date and time at which their programmed activates themselves and halt normal computing. Such viruses check the system clocks continuously, and when their date and time requirements are met, they can create havoc by performing harmful tasks listed in their own program. Virus also stays in the lookout any new files or any USB pen drive that are inserted in the system. They attach copies themselves to these new files or USB pen drive. A computer virus is also capable to performing these tasks. It can infect executable program and files such as your word processor, spreadsheet and operating system programs. It can infect disk by attaching itself to the special programs in hard disk called boot records. These are the programs computer uses to start up. It can infect a file before it is attached to an email message or transferred to a disk, and that's spread from one computer to another computer. A computer virus is incapable of performing these tasks. It cannot infect files on write protected disk, for example your CD-ROM. It cannot infect computer hardware, for example your monitor keyboard, but it infects only software. Next is hackers and crackers. Computer viruses are created by programmers who want to show off their programming skills. They are people who like to break the computer system or the network security. There are two different types of people who write computer virus programs. First one is hackers and crackers. Hackers refers to the people who use the skill to enter into the computer system without permission. Hackers are computer experts who break into secure system to gain knowledge or information about them and possibly use this knowledge to play pranks. A cracker is a malicious programmer who gains unauthorized access to the computer system for the purpose of stealing or altering or corrupting informations. Crackers often can destroy confidential or crucial data of the system. They break the security of applications and softwares and create destructive programs like virus. How does a computer virus spread? Computer virus spread one computer to another by transfer of infected data through emails, pen drive or other sources like your internet. Virus become active when you start an infected application or start your computer from the disk that has infected system files. Once the virus is in the computer memory, it usually infects the applications you run. Different viruses will behave in different ways. Some stay active in the memory until the computer is shut down. Others stay active only as the infected application is running.
Hope you got one small idea about computer virus. So now let's learn one definition for computer virus. A computer virus is a type of computer program that when executed replicates itself by modifying other computer programs and inserting its own code. When this replication succeeds, the infected areas are then said to be infected with a computer virus. And these are the top 5 most destructive computer virus of all time. The first computer virus, called Creeper System, was an experimental self-replicating virus released in 1971. This Creeper System for Windows operating system they released. It was filled up the hard drive until the computer could not operate any further. This virus was created by BBN Technologies in the US. And the first computer virus for Microsoft DOS operating system was Brain and was released in 1986. So for Windows operating system, the first computer virus considered as Creeper, and for DOS it's Brain. The virus known as the Brain or the Pakistani flu, which developed for MS-DOS operating system, was created by two brothers from Pakistan. Later, these two brothers would claim they designed the program as a security mechanism to protect other softwares from privacy. So now we learn what is computer virus, how the computer virus will take the control of your system, about hackers and crackers, how does a computer virus spread in your system, definition of computer virus and some history of computer virus, and top 5 common computer viruses. Okay children, hope you got a small idea about computer virus. This is only the introduction part of computer virus. In next video, we will continue about different types of computer viruses and how to protect your system from virus attack. Thank you.